don't make cheesecake. But if you have the time and want to challenge yourself, go for it because it's totally worth it. For my mom's 65th birthday, I decided to make an ube cheesecake. First, I made the crust, which was crushed graham crackers, sugar, salt, and melted butter. That went into a springform pan that I covered with aluminum foil. Once patted down, that went into the oven for 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Then for the filling, I combined the cream cheese, flour, and sugar. I don't have a standing mixer, so I tried to fold it with a spatula, which broke. Then I tried my hand mixer, and that broke. So fork it was. Thank goodness for my minimal arm strength, otherwise I would have just given up right then and there. Then you add in the vanilla extract, lemon zest, lemon juice, and salt. Then I added the eggs one at a time, and finally added in Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Once I was done, I divided the batter in half and added an ube melona bar and some ube extract powder to half of it. Then in the pan, I alternated a cup of each until it was full enough and put it in a roasting pan filled with boiled water. That went into the oven for 325 degrees for 1.5 hours. Unfortunately, it got a bit crispy, so I knew I had to decorate it, but before then, I let it rest in the bath for 45 minutes, then into the fridge for about 6 hours. Next step was to decorate. Excuse the bold tablecloth, I was at my parents' house. I used whipped cream around the edges and topped the center with canned cherry filling. Then I added some more whipped cream, some fresh raspberries, and blackberries. It was a hit. It was so delicious, but none of the ube flavor came through. The purple swirls were pretty though. I'm glad I made it, but it was quite a bit of work. So if you don't got time and patience,